Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this short 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to block your Santander debit or credit card using just the mobile app, whether it's lost, stolen, or compromised. Let's jump right in. Step 1, open the Santander app, make sure your app is updated. Then log in using your fingerprint, Face ID, or password. Step 2, access the cards section. From the home screen, tap on Cards or navigate to My Products, and then select the card you want to block. Step 3, select the Block option. Look for the option that says Block Card, Temporarily Deactivate, or something similar depending on your app version. Tap it. Step 4, confirm the block. You may need to enter your Santander key or confirm the action using a code sent via SMS. Follow the prompt to proceed. Step 5, done. Card blocked. Once confirmed, your card will be immediately blocked, and no transactions will go through until you unblock it or request a replacement. Important tip, if your card was stolen or lost permanently, you should report it and request a new card through the app or by calling Santander support. That's all. Your card is now blocked and your funds are safe. Always act fast in case of suspicious activity. If this helped you, give the video a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more smart banking tips. Thanks for watching.